In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your TikTok following and followers list. So first things first, open up the TikTok app, go to your profile. In the upper right-hand corner on your profile, you'll see three lines. They're horizontal lines. Tap on that. It'll bring up these options here. Go into Settings and Privacy. Once under Settings and Privacy, you want to go to the Privacy option there, which is 2 or 3 down. And then when you're here, the first thing we want to do is scroll down to the Interactions section and tap into Following List. So if we tap into Following List, this says who can see your following list. Right now, mine is set to everyone. But if you want to hide who you're following, you just tap the Only You option here, and that will change it to where only you can see who you're following, and people can't go to your public profile and see for themselves. Now, the next section is how to hide your followers list. This one is a little more difficult and it requires a private account. So the first thing you need to do is go back here to your profile. So once we're back into our profile, tap the 3 lines, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap into Privacy. And then at the very top, you'll see an option that says Private Account. If we toggle this on, it will make your account private and no one will be able to see your followers list. Now, the people that are already following you, you're going to have to remove, and new people who want to follow you, you actually have to approve. So what you would want to do is you would want to go back to your followers. So if we go here, go to your profile, and then once here, tap on your follower count where, like you see, mine says 44K. Tap into the follower count here, and then you'll see all of your followers. What you'd want to do is you'd want to tap the 3 dots to the right of that follower and go to Remove This Follower. Once you do that, it will remove them, and if they want to go and follow you again, now that your account is private, you will actually have to approve that. That is how you hide your TikTok following and followers list. If you have any further questions, put those in the comment section below. There will be a pinned comment down below with frequently asked questions. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.